Canada IRCC fee changes. What you need to know before December 1st. Planning to visit, work, or study in Canada? Well, if you're applying for any of those visas, we've got some important news for you. Starting December 1st, the application fees for several Canadian immigration processes will increase. Stay tuned as we break down what this means for you and how it could impact your plans. Hey, Travel Tree fam! Welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about moving to Canada, extending your stay, or applying for any temporary status, there's a major update that you need to know about. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, is increasing its fees for a number of applications starting on December 1st. But don't worry, we're here to walk you through what's changing, what you need to do, and how it might affect your application process. Planning to visit, work, or study in Canada? Well, if you're applying for any of those visas, we've got some important news for you. Starting December 1st, the application fees for several Canadian immigration processes will increase. Stay tuned as we break down what this means for you and how it could impact your plans. Hey, Travel Tree fam! Welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about moving to Canada, extending your stay, or applying for any temporary status, there's a major update that you need to know about. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, is increasing its fees for a number of applications starting on December 1st. But don't worry, we're here to walk you through what's changing, what you need to do, and how it might affect your application process. If you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe our channel so that you should not miss the new changes in Canada Immigration 2025, and you should be notified as soon as we upload our next video. Coming to the changes in 2025. 1. What's changing? So what exactly is changing? On December 1st, IRCC will be raising the application and processing fees for several types of visitor, worker, and student applications. This includes applications for those who want to restore their temporary resident status, apply for authorization to return to Canada, or those seeking a temporary resident permit. Restoration of temporary resident status. Authorization to return to Canada. Criminal rehabilitation applications. Temporary resident permit (TRP) applications. These fee increases will affect a variety of visa categories, including visitor, worker, and student applications. So if you're in the process of applying, make sure to act fast. 2. What are the current fees? Here's a look at the current application fees, which will be going up after December 1st. Restoration of visitor status, $229. Restoration of student status, $379. Restoration of worker status, $384. Authorization to return to Canada, $459.55. Inadmissible on grounds of criminality, $229.77. Inadmissible on grounds of serious criminality, $1,148.87. Temporary resident permit, TRP, $229.77. Keep in mind, though, that these fees will increase on December 1st, and IRCC hasn't yet released the exact new amounts. 3. What happens if you've already paid the old fees? Now, let's talk about what happens if you've already paid the old application fee before the increase. Don't panic. In most cases, applicants who submitted a complete application with the old fee won't need to worry about paying the difference. This is true if you applied online, as your application is received and confirmed instantly. However, if you submitted your application by mail, there could be a delay in processing. If IRCC receives your application after the fee increase, and you paid the old fee, don't worry, you'll just need to pay the difference. IRCC will provide instructions on how to do this. 4. How to pay the difference. So how do you pay the difference if you've already paid the old fee? It's simple. If you applied on paper and paid the old fee, IRCC will contact you with instructions on how to pay the difference. Here's the process. Calculate the difference. Find out how much more you owe by subtracting the old fee from the new one. Make the payment. Use IRCC's online payment tool to pay the difference. Simply log into your IRCC account and go to the Make an Additional Payment section. Get your receipt. Once the payment is made, you'll receive a receipt for the payment. Submit the receipt. Follow the instructions IRCC gives you on how to submit this receipt. Conclusion. To wrap up, if you're planning to apply for a temporary visa to Canada, make sure you know about the upcoming fee changes. Whether you're restoring your visitor status, applying for a work permit, or needing a temporary resident permit, December 1st is the date you need to remember. If you've already submitted your application with the old fee, don't worry. You'll likely just need to pay the difference, and IRCC will guide you through that process. So what do you think about these fee changes? Are you planning to apply before or after December 1st? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this update helpful, and subscribe to Travel Tree for more updates and tips on traveling to Canada. Thanks for watching, and as always, safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.